Hello friends, welcome back to my channel jQuery for Beginners. In last lecture, we discussed about the basic of jQuery and how to work with jQuery and the benefits of jQuery. Now, in today's topic, we are discussing about how to download and include jQuery supportive JavaScript source files. Friends, in jQuery, whenever you want to execute a jQuery in HTML document, it requires its supportive JavaScript files. Without this JavaScript source file, your jQuery will not respond in HTML document. And there are two different methods to add this supportive file in your HTML document before your jQuery script is starting. We have to download this file from jQuery official website, and it is open source file, so it is free to download from official website. As we mentioned, there are two different methods. One is you have to go on the jQuery website and choose the versions you need and download it to your website and use this file in your HTML document. And second one is you can take advantage of free content delivery network. It is called CDN network. CDN. It is important. And copy that CDN link and put it into your HTML document. You have to select one of the options for your HTML document. Now we discussed how to download jQuery from official website, how to download and add JavaScript source file and use into your HTML document. Before start downloading, we have to choose the versions of the jQuery file, and there are two different options for every versions of jQuery file. Every release versions of jQuery is listed in compressed file and minified formats file. It is also called uncompressed format of jQuery file. You have to select one of the option, either compressed version you want or uncompressed version you want. Now, here is some basic steps you have to follow at the first time while you are downloading a jQuery supportive JavaScript source file. First of all, open jQuery.com official website. Then inside the website, on right side of the web page, there is a download link. Click on that link. It will open different two links. One is uncompressed link for download and second one is compressed link of JavaScript source file. Now you have to select one of the version for download. In uncompressed version, whole JavaScript is written in single line coding, while in compressed version, whole JavaScript write in individual syntaxes. So you can easily judge the coding of JavaScript source file in uncompressed version, and it is very beneficial and very easy to understand uncompressed version of JavaScript source file for jQuery support. Now step 3, click on one of the link and it will open in your browser window. Now while the window will open a JavaScript code, you have to save this file in your local machine or in local drive where your HTML document is written or where you want to use this JavaScript source file. So now right click on the browser where you show a JavaScript source code and choose save as option of this open window. Now it will open a save window and you have to select proper location to save this JavaScript source file. Here no need to change a file name and save as type because these two are already defined by the browsers when you are choosing save as option. So it will write its file name and save as type. So you have to just select proper location where you want to save this JavaScript source file. After saving this file at your location, you have to open an HTML document and write a script tag inside the head part of this document and add this saved JavaScript document as a source file of your JavaScript src element and complete this script tag. Now this JavaScript will help in your HTML document and support all the jQuery syntaxes which you have write for HTML document. Now whenever you want to add this file, just you have to link this external file in your HTML document. No need to download repeatedly and saving repeatedly this file. You have to just link this file into your document. Second technique is CDN technique. CDN technique has its own official link and this official link is defined by the different websites like Google, Microsoft, jQuery, etc. You have to select one of the official website link and copy that link and put it into your HTML document. For CDN support, it is compulsory for your HTML document internet connection is active. If your internet connection is deactive, then this CDN link will not support to your HTML document and the jQuery effect is not performed. So whenever you use CDN technique, you have to compulsory start your internet connection. But if you are download this link and save your JavaScript source file in local drive, then no need to start internet connection. It will locally support in your HTML document. Now we will see the steps in HTML document and include these two methods of JavaScript source file in HTML document. Here I am going to create one new document, HTML document. For that I am going to use an editor. You can select any editor for writing a jQuery like Notepad++, Dreamweaver, then Sublime Text, any. Here I am going to select Dreamweaver. Now I am going to select File and New option, and then HTML, and then Create. So it is opening a new document with untitled document with some HTML code. A Dreamweaver is opening untitled document with some HTML document, but in Sublime Text or Notepad++ will not show you an HTML document while you are opening a new document. It is totally blank. Now I am going to save this page in my folder where I want to run jQuery programs. So I am going to save here my page demo1 and selecting save type HTML and save as, means my document is saved with HTML. Friends, we can add jQuery in any markup language. Basically it is used in HTML document and it is interact with HTML text. So most probably you are using jQuery with HTML document. So in this lecture we are discussing about jQuery coding with HTML document. Now I am going to downloading a JavaScript source file from the official website and then include this downloaded file into demo1.html page. For that I am going to open a browser, and inside browser's URL or search area you can write jQuery and then the first link is at official website of jQuery, jQuery.com. Now this is the index page of jQuery.com website. On right side of this web page there is a download link of jQuery and it is a version 3.5.1. so it is the latest one version of the jQuery supportive file. Now I am going to click this link and it is opening a different brown color link for downloading jQuery versions. See, the first one is a compressed file for jQuery 3.5.1 and second one is uncompressed version of jQuery 3.5.1. I am going to select one of this link for external support. I am going to take uncompressed, so I am click on this link. Now after clicking on this link you can see a code of JavaScript source file which is supporting in our jQuery. Now we have to save this code in our local drive. So this is the whole jQuery supportive code and this is uncompressed version. Now I'm going to save with right click and save as option. Now I have to select proper location, so I'm going to D drive, jQuery folder, and here now no need to change the name of your file and save as type of your file. It is default defined while I am clicking save as option of the browser window. Just I have to select proper location and the location is I have already selected. Just I click on save button. So this file is downloaded or saved in my local drive jQuery 3.5.1. Now I will use this file in my demo1.html document. This is my HTML document. So for adding this document, I have to write inside the head part, starting with script tag. This is a JavaScript source file, so you need to write script tag first. Then you can mention type equals to script txt JavaScript. You can select language is equals to JavaScript, and src source. I'm going to select source as a jQuery 3.5.1.js. So this is the file name, and .js is the extension of JavaScript external file. Now I am going to close this script tag. Now this file will support in my HTML document jQuery scripting or jQuery programming. Now we are going to discuss about CDN technique. For that, I am going back inside jQuery.com website. Now in download we can get jQuery using CDN technique link. Here I am going to click here different links. See, these are the jQuery CDN links official website which support us from their server JavaScript source file. Suppose I am going to click on Google, so I right click this on Google. It will open in new window. The same file which we have download jQuery 3.5.1 is defined here inside the script tag with src ajax.googleapis.com. This is the Google's official server where CDN library is defined, and the CDN file is also included. I have to just copy this link, Ctrl C, and I have to just paste where in HTML document I want to use. I am going to paste here. So when I start or execute this HTML document on browser, this link will automatically give support to my HTML document. But for that it is compulsory to start internet connection. If your internet connection is not start, this link will not support to your HTML document. So these are the two techniques to include JavaScript source file for jQuery support. In next lecture we will discuss how to write a first jQuery program. Also we will execute that program, and we will check the support of external JavaScript source file to the jQuery in HTML document. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe and share this video. Also press bell icon for new updates.